Welcome to today's video on DateTime format in maven-openapi-generator plugin. If you're working with OpenAPI specifications in Maven, chances are you've encountered issues with DateTime format. In this video, we'll delve into the world of DateTime formatting and explore how to effectively use it with the maven-openapi-generator plugin. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to work with DateTime formats in your OpenAPI projects. So, what exactly is the problem with DateTime formats in OpenAPI specifications? DateTime values are often represented as strings in a specific format. However, when these strings are generated by the maven-openapi-generator plugin, they might not always conform to the expected format. This can lead to issues downstream, such as incorrect parsing or errors in your application. To tackle this problem, we need to understand how DateTime formats work in OpenAPI and Maven. The key concept here is the format attribute in OpenAPI, which specifies the format of a DateTime value. By default, the maven-openapi-generator plugin uses the ESO 8601 format. But you can override this by specifying your own custom format. Let's consider an example to illustrate this point. Suppose we have an API endpoint that returns a JSON response with a DateTime field. If we don't specify a custom format, the generated code might produce a string in the ISO 8601 format, like 2022-7, 25 tone 143,000 set. However, if our application expects this value to be in a different format, such as HMSS, we'll encounter issues. To resolve this, we can use the format attribute in our OpenAPI specification to specify the desired DateTime format. For instance, we might add a line like this: format MNEDI-OMS to our DateTime field definition. This tells the maven-openapi-generator plugin to generate the DateTime value in the specified format. Another important consideration is the concept of time zone. When working with DateTime values, it's essential to account for time zone differences. In OpenAPI, you can specify a time zone using the timezone attribute. By including this attribute, we ensure that our DateTime values are correctly adjusted for the target time zone. To recap, here are the main points to remember when working with DateTime formats in maven-openapi-generator plugin. Understand how DateTime formats work in OpenAPI and Maven. Use the format attribute to specify custom DateTime formats. Account for time zones using the timezone attribute. Ensure that your application can correctly parse the generated DateTime values. That's all for today's video on DateTime format in maven-openapi-generator plugin. We hope you now have a solid grasp of how to work with DateTime formats in your OpenAPI projects. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on Maven and OpenAPI. In our next video, we'll be exploring another critical aspect of working with OpenAPI specifications. Thanks for watching.